At the bottom of our planet, beyond the roaring oceans, lies a land unlike any other on Earth, a place of endless ice, violent storms, and temperatures so cold that survival itself becomes a challenge. This is Antarctica, the coldest, windiest, and most isolated continent on Earth. Yet beneath its frozen silence, Antarctica hides secrets that could change our understanding of the planet forever. Covering nearly 14 million square kilometers, Antarctica is larger than Europe and almost twice the size of Australia. Around 98% of the continent is covered by ice. In some places, that ice is more than 4 kilometers thick. If all of Antarctica's ice melted, global sea levels could rise by nearly 60 meters, reshaping coastlines across the world. Despite its size, no country officially owns Antarctica. Instead, nations work together through the Antarctic Treaty, using the continent only for peaceful scientific research. Antarctica is the coldest place on Earth. The lowest temperature ever recorded here was minus 89.2 degrees Celsius. That is cold enough to freeze exposed skin in seconds. Blizzards can produce winds faster than 300 kilometers per hour. And during winter, parts of Antarctica remain in complete darkness for months. Yet during summer, the sun never fully sets. A strange world where time itself feels different. Although Antarctica appears lifeless, it is home to some of the most incredible creatures on Earth. Massive whales travel thousands of kilometers to feed in its icy waters. Seals rest on floating ice sheets. And millions of penguins survive in conditions that would kill most animals. Among them is the famous emperor penguin, the only penguin species that breeds during the Antarctic winter. To protect their eggs from freezing, male penguins balance them carefully on their feet for months, while enduring deadly storms and brutal cold. In the surrounding ocean, tiny creatures called krill form the foundation of the Antarctic food chain. These small animals support whales, seals, penguins, and seabirds. Even the smallest life here plays a massive role in Earth's ecosystem. Beneath Antarctica's thick ice lie mountains, rivers, and hidden lakes untouched for millions of years. Scientists have discovered over 400 subglacial lakes trapped beneath the ice sheet. One of them, Lake Vostok, remained isolated from the outside world for perhaps 15 million years. Could unknown forms of life survive there? Researchers believe Antarctica may help us understand how life could exist on icy worlds beyond Earth, including moons like Europa and Enceladus. In many ways, Antarctica is not just a frozen continent. It is a gateway to space exploration and the search for alien life. Today, Antarctica is changing. Rising global temperatures are melting parts of the ice faster than ever before. Massive glaciers are collapsing into the sea. Scientists warn that continued ice loss could dramatically increase sea levels around the world. What happens in Antarctica does not stay in Antarctica. Its frozen ice helps regulate Earth's climate and ocean systems. The future of cities, coastlines, and millions of people may depend on what happens here. Antarctica has become one of the most important warning signs of climate change on our planet. Only a few thousand people live in Antarctica temporarily. Most are scientists studying weather, ice, oceans, wildlife, and space. Research stations from many countries operate in this frozen environment year-round. Life here is difficult. Supplies arrive only during short weather windows. Isolation, freezing temperatures, and darkness test both body and mind. Yet, scientists continue their work because Antarctica holds answers to some of humanity's greatest questions. Antarctica is more than a continent of ice. It is a place of mystery, science, survival, and discovery. A land that reminds us how powerful nature truly is. In its frozen silence, Antarctica tells the story of our planet's past, and perhaps its future. The last great wilderness on Earth, still waiting to be understood. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel, and also click on bell icon.